We are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we want to welcome you to a car that was saved and in turn helped save some lives. One of only 1,340 E28 M5s, this was once owned by former Boston Red Sox player Sam Horn. It sat forlornly in the back of a mechanic's shop until our client found it. They completed an engine rebuild and a paint job with a little help from some foster kids. It's been built as an Outlaw M5, ready to tackle the back roads. We'll tell you all about it, but first let's listen to some of the kids themselves.
To be honest, I really didn't think I would get a job at a young age or improve my resume or even gain enough skills or knowledge to be able to work or choose what type of work I want. They kind of showed me how to do that.
Kazim's a funny kid. He's a really good kid, and he's really, really smart. He's very quiet. I think that he has way more potential inside of him than a lot of other kids do.
We have a couple projects we work on too, like the M5 over here. So you would just pop in and ask me, hey, you want to help me out with the M5? And I'm like, yeah, sure, why not? So we just work on it, yeah. You just want to know you want the best for yourself before other people help you, because without that, then you're just wasting their time and you're wasting your time. It really has to come within you first.
This is a tremendous hot-rodded M5. Engine, paint, interior, suspension, everything was touched on this with the help of some friends. This is just a great, great car, dynoed at 279 horsepower. It's live on Bring a Trailer, and for more information, visit us at Genau, AutoWerks.com.
Today I'm going to tell you about a young man named Derek and how his mentor is a lifeline for him. It's the first ever motorsport car for BMW. Just 700 left in the world.
This is not it.
Lift this up.
And Derek Dunbar-Boucher and his mentor Peter Hopeland are restoring it here at ProTech Automotive Services in Johnston.
That goes back in there.
The two car buffs were matched through the Foster Forward Real Connection Mentor Program. But this is about more than restoring cars. It's about restoring souls. Derek does the work, but Peter helps him set goals and focus.
He took me in and made me who I am now.
What a great opportunity for somebody to carve up the back roads and carry on the legacy of this car. We'll look forward to speaking to the new owner when it ends on Thursday, September 25th.